Laonii is one of the important festivals celebrated in Poumai Naga village of the rice transplantation. It is usually celebrated every year in the first week of July. In Lepaona circle, it is celebrated for 9 days and 5 days Paomata circle. As a custom of Yaosomai, traditional religion believers or heathen or villagers is allowed in rice transplantation after the Laonii Festival. Today, July 6, 2021, we pay to witness this festival. This festival is a time to enjoy with full of joy after successful rice transplantation and to rejuvenate their minds and health after hard work in rice transplantation. In olden days, the young men and women prepare a lot of rice beer and enjoy together in a group. Folk song competition between the boys and girls was carried on this special day. Romantic folk songs are also sung and enjoyed together. It was a big and important festival for the young boys and girls. By nature, all the Poumai Naga boys and girls are friendly and celebrate the festival together. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and on the bell icon for my new video upload. Thanks for watching and see me in my next video.